Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Professional MS Office Skills. It's me Muhammad Atif. In this video I will teach you about how to protect your Excel sheet. Before protect your Excel sheet, you are able to do any changes in this sheet. For example, I changed the highlight color and you are able to write anything in this sheet. For example, I write professional. You are able to put any type of formula in this sheet. So if you want to know how to protect your Excel sheet, so must watch this video till end. First we go review tool. Here changes family have a option protect sheet. Click here. Here put any type of password. For example, I put 123 and then check all boxes because I want to protect these all options. Check these all boxes. After check these all boxes, click OK. Now re-enter password again. I put 123. OK. After these steps, now our sheet is protected. Now I unable to do any changing in this sheet. Now I am unable to write any word in this sheet. So I try to write, for example, I write P. So MS Excel provide a message, the cell or chart that you are trying to change is protected and therefore read only. To modify a protect cell or chart, first remove protection using the unprotect sheet command, review tab, changes group, you may be promoted for a password. Okay. Now our sheet is protected. So again unprotect your Excel sheet. Click here unprotect. At the time of protect our sheet, I put a password 123. Again in here put a password 123. Okay. Now our sheet is unprotected. Now you are able to write anything or changes anything in here. So viewers, I hope you understood how to protect your Excel sheet. So friends, we will continue to share such a type of informative video in future. See you again. Goodbye.